Hi, today I'm going to read you Anancy and Cow. Brother Anancy was walking in the bush one day when he saw Brother Cow chewing on some chew stick. Now, Anancy longed to eat some cow meat. Everybody knows Anancy thinks he is smart, so you will not be surprised that he got an idea. He thought he knew how to get some cow meat. Anancy ran home and told his wife and children, "We are going to have some cow meat, so get the pot ready." Then he went for some sugar cane. Anancy went back to the bush. He met Cow and said, "Brother Cow, I see you chewing on some chew stick. I have some better chew stick here. Would you like to try it?" "Oh, Brother Anancy," said Cow, "I would like to try it." So Anancy gave Cow some sugar cane and said, "Isn't my chew stick nice, Brother Cow? Isn't it sweet?" "Oh, yes," said Cow. "Would you like some more of my nice sweet chew stick?" Anancy said. "I have more at home. Just come with me." "Brother Anancy," said Cow, "you are kind, but I have never been to your home." "It is all right," replied Anancy. "You can come with me." "All right," replied Brother Cow. When they got to the yard, Anancy tied the rope to a tree. He said to Cow, "Don't forget, you must fan away the flies. I know you don't like flies." So Brother Cow fanned his tail very hard. Then Anancy called to his wife and children to come and see Brother Cow. Suddenly, Anancy gave a loud shout. He wanted everybody to think that Cow was making trouble. "Look at how this cow is fanning his tail. My poor little children are afraid. Look at how this cow has come into my yard. He is troubling my children. I have to kill him," he shouted. Then Anancy took up his knife to cut off Cow's head. Suddenly, Anancy brought down the knife, but Cow moved his head and the knife cut the rope. Cow put his tail on his back and ran away. From that day, Cow and Anancy have not been friends. The end. So, I hope you liked that story, and if you did, please remember to click the thumbs up below and subscribe if you have not yet. So, I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye.